Um, so using Twitter as an example, what I try to do is model the behavior I would expect them to do. So rather than kind of dumping them in the deep end early in the course, I say, okay, this is the hashtag for the course. This is the kind of information you can expect to see there from me. So for example, if class were to be canceled or a deadline were to be moved, I will post it using the tag, but it will also be posted in these other places. So you can embrace this as much or as little as you want to, but know there's going to be a conversation here, and if you're not following it, you're going to miss it, and it's going to be valuable. So then I have on my calendar, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, post something using the tag to remind myself to kind of set up that standard use of that channel so they become acquainted with how I'm going to use it. And I also ensure that anybody who uses the tag, it really comes to my attention. So what I've done recently is automate it so that I get a text message to my phone anytime somebody uses the tag, at least in the first few weeks of the class, so that I can be super responsive and show them the value of that conversation. And then I bring it up in class. So I'll just do a quick search for the tag, put it on the screen while we're kind of all getting situated and stuff, and maybe use that as a way to kind of bridge the previous class meeting to this class meeting. There's been this discussion going on. Let's all share it, among the people in the room and bring it up. And then what I see is that gradually more and more of them will engage because they see that there's value there. And so they're following it, and then they're posting with it. And eventually I can sort of back off a little bit and maybe post like 2 interesting articles a week rather than 3 or 4 or whatever, because they take it over. And then we review it periodically through the semester. I pull up the stats and say, what's this look like?